What's up, beautiful people? It is your girl, Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called 314 Mood For You. Guys, I must admit it, I'm a sucker for LALAH Hathaway song, okay? This is a great line dance. It's a one-wall dance. It's only 3 easy parts, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. But before I do, if you are located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. I also want to give a shout out to everyone that leaves me a comment. Guys, I appreciate you taking the time to like the button, to subscribe, and to leave me a comment. It motivates me and let me know I'm on the right track. Thank you so very kindly. And thank you to everyone that's supporting the No Less Southern Experience 2026. We sold out in like 14 hours or so. Are y'all guys crazy? Thank you. Thank you so very kindly. And we're looking forward to hosting you next year, 2026. So are you ready? Let's go. So this first part is you do at all 4 walls, okay? So when I teach you this step, you pretty much got the dance. Because part 2 and part 3 is easy. Here we go. And it starts with the weight on the right, and we're gonna cross on the left. So it's almost, we're gonna do a basic. So we're gonna go left, right, left, right, left. So we're gonna roll back, right, left, okay? So 1 and 2, 3, 4. And my weight is on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna go up 5, 6, and in place on the left, 7 and 8. Up 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so that's our first 8 count. So let's do it again. So we're gonna do like a half basic. So instead of doing left, right, left, right, that's what I was doing, guys. That's that muscle memory, always doing that Chicago basic, okay? Whatever you do on the left, you do on the right, but you're not. You're gonna go out, left, right, up, together, left, right, out, okay? Up, together, left, right, out, okay? 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, roll 3, 4, up 5, 6, left, 7, and 8. Okay? Now we're going to go back into a basic. 1 and 2, push 3 and 4. Right, left, back. Okay? Push 1, 2. Again. 1 and 2, push 3 and 4. So my heel is up. I'm pivot 5, 6, to my left, quarter turn, and a coaster out. 7 and 8. That is the step. That's the step. Okay, so take your time and break it down. And we're doing the same thing at each wall. So let's go and do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Roll 3, 4. Up 5, 6 in place. 7 and 8. Cross 1 and 2. Push 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, out, 8. So remember to do the coaster out to prepare you to do it again. All right, let's do it again at this wall. So we can do it here and we can do it here at least 2 times before you have to look back at the camera. Okay, 5, 6, 7, out, 8. It's 1 and 2. Roll 3 and 4. Up 5, 6 in place. 7 out, 8. Basic 1 and 2. Push 3 and 4. Pivot 5, 6. Coaster out. 1 and 2. Roll 3, 4. Up 5, 6, 7 and 8. It's 1 and 2. Push 3 and 4. Pivot 5, 6, 7 out, 8. All right. So you're going to do the same thing at each wall. So you're doing the same thing 4 times. All right. Now that's part 1. Part 2. You're going to walk up on the right slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 5, 6. And when you walk up, please cross your legs, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, push 7 and 8. Right, left, right. Then we come back with hood walk or pony. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, easy. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, right, left, left. No, left, right, and cross. Going up again. So this part here, you're going to do twice. Okay? Going up on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push 7 and 8. Hood walk left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Easy. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast. 5, 6. Push 7 and 8. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So, that second time, we're going to use a transition so we can go and do the third step, the third part. So, 5, 6, 7, out, 8. So, 5, 6, 7, out, 8. So, left, right, out. Okay? And we're coming back to this wall. So all parts leads us back to this wall. Part 1, all 4 walls coming back to the front. Part 2, twice, transition. Transition. Work on your transition, instructors. Focus on transition. Because they know the parts, but when it comes to the transition going from one part to the other, they're standing there. They miss that part, okay? So you got to do a triple step. So the second time we walk up is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, push 7 and 8. Left 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, out, 8. All right? You got to do a triple step to get that left out. We're going to travel this way. But before we do, we're going to put part 1 and part 2 together. All right? So, I'm going to start here. Okay? 5, 6, 7, basic. 1 and 2, roll 3, 4 up, 5, 6 up, 7 out, 8. It's 1 and 2, push 3 and 4, pivot 5, 6 left, 7 out, 8. Basic 1 and 2, roll 3, 4 up, 5, in place, 7 out, 8. Basic 1 and 2, push 3, pivot right, goes to left and out. Basic 1 and 2, roll 3, 4 up, 5, 6, 7 out, 8. 1 and 2, push 3 and 4, pivot 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, roll 3, 4 up, 5, 6, 7 out, 8. 1 and 2, push 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, easy. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, walk 5, 6, push 7 and 8. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 out, 8. All right? So use that transition to do a triple step to get that left heel out. Because you already know. When you go out, we're going to travel. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, out, 8. All right? 5, 6, 7 to the front. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, out, 8. One, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, out, 8. So we go slow. 1, 2, speed it up. 3 and 4, slow. 5, 6, fast. 7, out, 8. We come back the other direction doing the same thing. Slow. 1, 2, fast. 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, out, 8. We back at the top. Look at that heel out. Look at that. Check that out. You like this. I'm like this. You like this. I'm like that. I'm ready to go. You here. I'm here. listening is everything. So we're doing a travel step just with a tempo. So instructor, your beginners, if they can do a travel step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1. They can do this. The tempo just changed. It's the same footwork. Slow, going fast. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's how we teach it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right? Let's put part 1, part 2, and part 3. There's no bridges, there's no tag, and no change in this dance. You do part 1, all 4 walls. You do part 2 twice. And you do part 3, going to the right and going to the left, starting the dance over. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, roll 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, out 8. 1 and 2, roll 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, out 8. 1 and 2, push 3 and 4, pivot 5, 6, coaster out. And 1 and 2, roll 3, 4, up 5, 6, 7, out 8. 1 and 2, push 3 and 4, pivot 5, 6, coaster out. 1 and 2, roll 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Coaster step. That's another transition step. So when you come back, coaster step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left 1 and 2. Right 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left 1 and 2. Right 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, out 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, out 8. Then it starts over from the top. 3, 3, 1, 4, Mood For You. I want to give a shout out to Tracy. Girl, you did that. That's a cute dance. Love your song selection. Leave me a comment, guys. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. And guys, I'm going to put the instructional. This is the instructional. Let's dance together. And also check out the choreographer, instructional, and demo. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.